If you guys see me on the Switch playing Animal Crossing, that's my
Ian.
mother. Don't talk to her.
Club. Oh my god, I'm messaging her.
Don't talk to
Hey.
Can I go
That's
visit your
just
mom's
wonderful.
island?
Eventually. It's your first video
I'm
game.
gonna go raid your mom's island right quick. I'll be right back.
Exactly. We're gonna go raid your mom's island real
I'll play Animal
quick.
Crossing with your mom.
She read her horoscope and she's supposed to play like Sims-like
What is
games. But I
Oh,
think Sims
really?
is too hard for her, so I got her on Animal Crossing.
Oh, it's good. My mom plays Animal Crossing. Our moms could play Animal Crossing.
Oh my god, do you think, what if our mom's like,
Like a play date.
I was thinking, what if they hold hands?
does your mom have a husband?
Nope.
Oh, I was gonna say their husbands
Poor
could play
Miss Chica.
together.
I could be.
Do you want to be the husband of Giga's
Yeah,
mom?
it's Mouse. I can be.
Okay. I can be
No, thank
your
you.
husband,
I don't
baby.
want to do any of those things.
Like what?
I don't like that stuff.
The
Cooties.
Yeah,
Yeah, coolies.
and the
Ugh.
sorry.
What the fuck?
What the fuck is
What?
that?
Get out of this beastie right now. Get out of here.
Oh no, she actually left! I'm so Giga, you kicked her
Yeah,
out.
What do you think she meant by that?
When you
I don't
when
know.
you stub your toe on the edge of the bed, right?
Repeatedly?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
not
Smiley, you're back.
Fucking way.
Welcome back, madam.
Welcome back, my queen, as I kneel in front of you.
It was girl talk,
Do you
and I
mind
like.
explaining to us what
Oh,
she meant?
fuck.
Hey Zen, you smell. Oh my god, crisis averted.